Okay, listen to this. This is bad audio. We got wind, we've got birds, we've got airplanes in a flight path, we have an AI lawnmower going over here. Now, listen to this. The difference? Same camera, same location, different microphone. This is the DJI Mic 3. Today we're testing out the DJI Mic 3, a tiny wireless microphone designed for vloggers, filmmakers, live streamers, and multi-camera productions. And honestly, this might be one of the smartest creator tools that DJI has ever made. What's impressive is that DJI hasn't just made the Mic 3 smaller, they made it smarter. You get adaptive gain control, active noise canceling, 32-bit float recording, time coding support, multi-camera syncing, and even direct Osmo audio connection. All of those things, and it's smaller and smarter. So in this video, we're going to be testing some real-world situations with the DJI Mic 3 to see if it's actually worth upgrading. First, let's talk about design. Everything fits neatly right in here. 2 mics, the transmitter is only 16 grams, incredibly lightweight. The beautiful thing about the receivers, because of the rotating clip, you can always point the mic directly towards your mouth for better audio capture. This is super powerful when clipping it sideways or even upside down. It also magnetically attaches almost anywhere, making it set up really fast. I love that everything fits nicely. You've got extra magnets for your lapel right here, LED charging. It'll fit your dust and wind mic right here as well, including the receiver. You can also switch your voice tone presets. So you have regular, bright, and rich. And as you push on these, you can see that they're changing. I love the DJI Mic 3. I love the DJI Mic 3. I love the DJI Mic 3. You should be able to hear the difference between those 3 versions of regular, rich, and bright. Regular sounds natural. Rich boosts the low end of a fuller voice. And bright adds clarity and sharper highs. For YouTube talking head videos, I personally prefer rich mode because it makes voices sound more dynamic. Let's talk a little bit about noise canceling. DJI also added 2-level activated noise canceling. There's basic for indoors, strong for outdoors, and then completely off for other settings. It reduces fan noise and room echo surprisingly well. Outdoors, MLS soccer game here. We got lots of noise, lots of background stuff. Looks like it's pulling through on the mic when I talk. Also pulling a little bit of the music behind me, but we've got it on strong and rich mode. Strong mode does a solid job reducing wind, traffic noise, airplanes, birds, while keeping your voice clear. So one of the really cool things, again, about the DJI Mic 3 is that you've got the 4TX R8 capability of 4-channel output. So not only can you use this on a phone, but you can use this on a camera, and you can use multiple transmitters and receivers in the multi-person multiple camera filming interview, which is really, really nice. So you can do group settings in the actual scene, but it keeps all of those time codes separate so that you can track those when you go back into the editing mode. You also get dual file 32-bit internal recording. So even if the audio clips or pops, you can actually recover that later in post. There's extra headroom is extremely useful for unpredictable recording situations, such as outdoor when there's weather, multiple people talking, pops in different letters. You're going to be able to fix that in post-production. So the battery life on the DJI Mic 3 is super impressive. You get 28 hours total with the charging case, and a quick 5-minute charge gives you around 2 hours of use. It also supports dual band anti-interference with an automatic 2.4 and 5.5 gigahertz frequency hopping for stable transmission. After using the DJI Mic 3 in a bunch of different situations, this is seriously one of the most complete wireless microphones for creators right now. It's lightweight, it sounds professional, it works beautifully with all DJI services and devices, and it includes advanced features that you usually found in much bigger production setups. It's built for bloggers, filmmakers, live streamers, content creators. This is definitely a microphone worth checking out. If you want to upgrade your content audio, check out the new DJI Mic 3 using the link in the description.